What happens when you're in an accident in a borrowed car? The answer to this question depends on who's responsible for the accident. You can also look at whether or not the person who borrowed the car should have been allowed to borrow the car. If someone allows another person to borrow their car and they know that this person has a couple of DUIs, they know they've driven recklessly in the past, this would be a prime example of negligent entrustment. So you may be able to get compensation not only from the driver of the car, but also of the owner of the car because they never should have entrusted their car to the person who borrowed the car in the first place.